Marissa Davis, the Soul Path artist here. I just wanted to talk to you for a moment about a workshop that I'm doing this weekend, which I'm actually really excited about. It's a vision board workshop, but it's a vision board workshop with a Soul Path twist. Because unlike a lot of people I know, I am not a huge vision board fan, but I know they're really popular. And I wanted to figure out a way to do a vision board that would have meaning for me and really resonate with me. And I came up with it. So today I worked up this example vision board of what we're going to be doing this weekend. It's on Saturday, so it's the day before Mother's Day, which means it's like the perfect thing to do for Mother's Day, really, right? Go out, be creative. It starts at 1:30, so you could come to Cornish, have lunch, maybe go to Krista's, which has incredible food, and then come to the vision board workshop. And it's at the Root and Leaf Tea Shop and Apothecary, which is also the Mind, Body, Soul Holistic Wellness Center on Main Street in Cornish. And it goes from 1:30 to 4:30. But anyway, back to this vision board with a Soul Path twist. So I did this process this morning and it was so powerful. Like, it really touched down very deeply in me. And you can see, I'm going to show you right now the vision board, and you'll see right off the bat two things that are really going to jump out at you that are very different about this Soul Path vision board as opposed to a traditional vision board. So this is the vision board. And as you can see, the first thing that you'll notice is the picture of what's going to be you. So I get a lot of self-healing through doing self-portraiture. So I wanted to include an image of me in the vision board. And the second thing that you're going to notice is that this isn't just covered with magazine images. There's a lot going on in the background, which is painted in. And there's even, if you can see it in here, some writing. So what we're doing is we're doing like a mini Soul Path process and adding in this element of this image of you in here. And it packs a really powerful punch. It's going to be an incredible workshop. So this is a really affordable, fun way to get creative, get into that right brain, start imagining and dreaming into your future. Okay, I hope to see you. Thank you so much for joining.